How to make a website you can sell for dollars. Hi, I'm Ryan Huff. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a website that you can sell for thousands of dollars. So with the end in mind, I'm going to pull up the website I built to show you exactly step by step how to make a website you can sell for dollars. So this is clickywebsites.com. This is the website that I built to show you exactly how to build a website. I recorded everything I did, and I basically created a free web design course that you can sign up and get all the videos and the how-to guides and exactly how I built this website. I basically go through and explain how I built all these pages. You can sign in for free by just visiting this training page and signing in. Once you've signed in, you'll get access to all the videos that I've created, as well as all the guides. So you can go into each lesson, you can watch the video, and then you can download the guide. You may be thinking, why Clicky websites? Firstly, Clicky websites are built to load quickly. Clickywebsites.com loads in 2.6 seconds. Second, Clicky websites are built to be engaging. They're built to get visitors to click. The more visitors click, the longer they'll stay on your website and the more likely they'll take action. But before you commit any of your precious time to watching my videos, let me quickly explain what I've done differently to the other how to make website videos on YouTube. First, some of the videos on YouTube are super long, at 1 to 3 hours. I thought you probably don't want to watch a video that long, and it certainly will be difficult to follow along, so I've created many smaller how-to videos. So guys, I've created a whole bunch of how-to videos for you and recorded them in much smaller lessons so that they're easy to digest. So within all my courses, I've broken it down into different courses, and there's in total here about 17 videos that you can go through and watch. These videos are also available on my YouTube channel. You can go through and watch them on my YouTube channel, and there's also a playlist that's broken up into those 4 sections, similar to my website here. The difference of signing in and watching these through my website is, one, I don't have the annoying ads as you'll see in the YouTube videos that ask you to come and sign up, and two, you can only get the guides from signing up to my website, as well as the templates and the mind map. So that's how you can get all the videos. Also, I've put together a mind map of all the videos I've created. This is so that you can easily find the videos you're interested in watching. So this is the mind map I created for you about how to make a website, but it basically shows the various courses or things in order. So you'd start with your domain and hosting, then you'd go into your design, then you might set up your email, and then you'd look to adding analytics to your website. So this gives you an overview of all the different things that are being taught, and you can very easily just click on any of these links and go directly to the video that corresponds to these different lessons. So I hope you find this mind map useful. When building the website, I captured a screenshot every time I clicked and turned these into guides or standard operating procedures. I did this so you can either follow along with the PDF on a second screen or print out the guide. So within each lesson I've included a guide, which you can simply click on this link, and what that will do is will open up this guide, which is a PDF, and you can download that and either print it out or put this on a second screen and basically it has screenshots and instructions of exactly what you need to do to set everything up. So very easy to follow and very easy to replicate what I've done to build clickywebsites.com. So I hope you find these PDFs useful in building your website. Also, I'm giving you the templates I created to build Clicky websites. You can get a copy of the mind map, PDF guides and templates on my website. You can sign in for free by just visiting this training page and signing in. Once you've signed in, you'll get access to all the videos that I've created, as well as all the guides. So you can go into each lesson, you can watch the video, and then you can download the guide. The other difference is that the other videos will be showing you how to make a WordPress site using a WordPress template or theme. The thing with themes is that they're pre-made websites. Although a lot of them look really good, they are difficult to customize. Business owners that will pay thousands of dollars for a website expect a website that looks amazing. This is difficult to do with a theme. Clicky websites are designed using a WordPress plugin called Thrive Architect. It is a paid plugin, but it does enable you to build a website exactly the way you want to. So that's a big difference to the other how to make a website videos. If you follow along with my videos and PDF guides and use the templates I'm giving you for free, you'll be able to make a website that business owners will pay thousands of dollars for. So if you want all the free stuff I'm giving you, head on over to my website and sign up. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give me a thumbs up and please ask me anything in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and good luck in making your website.